Here's the Sony Bravia, the 3rd edition smart TV. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. So first thing is turn the TV on. As soon as you put the remote into the batteries into the remote, it should automatically be synced. Okay. So once you're at the welcome screen, I'm gonna choose your language. I'm gonna go with English in the U.S. Choose your country or region. I'm in the United States. You have two things that you can do here. You can set up Google TV or you can set up basic TV. It's up to you. Most of you guys, 99% of you guys, of course, going to set up a Google TV. Now from here, we can set up with the Google Home app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can download it, or you can set up right on the TV instead. It says down there. I'm going to set up on TV instead because I tried to do the Google Home app because I do have it on my phone, but I was getting error messages. So I'm going to go this route down here. So I'm going to go down, set up on TV instead. Let's select that. Choose your Wi-Fi network. So let me enter my Wi-Fi password. Once you enter your Wi-Fi password, go down here to highlight the check mark down there, and we're going to OK on the remote. It says connected. Sign in to your Google account here. So I'm going to put my Gmail email. Now I'm going to go down, highlight right there, OK on the remote to proceed. Now let me enter my email password here. And after you put your password in, go down to that right arrow, OK on the remote. And here's the Google Terms of Service and the Google Play Terms of Service. So go ahead and read through all that. And if you accept. Here's the other Google services. You can go ahead and read through these, or you can go down here to learn more. I'm going to go down to accept. Search across all your TV apps. That's up to you. You can allow or no thanks, or you can allow and then turn it off later if you wish. But for myself, I'm just going to go with no thanks. Select a room where this TV is. So you want to go ahead and select it. You can also add a custom name if you wish. I'll just say this one's in. We'll just go with the bedroom. Choose your services. You can do this now. You can do it later after setup too. It doesn't matter. But I do have like Netflix. I have Prime Video, and I'm going to put YouTube on there as well. And I'll just go with confirm. But I can add the other stuff after the setup as well. Start your Bravia TV experience. So it's on start. Let's go ahead and select on the start there. End user license agreement. Go ahead and read through all this. Just hold it down. Just keep reading through all that. Okay. And then if you agree, go ahead and select agree and then go down to proceed. Privacy policy. Let's read through all this. Just hold down the down button. Go all the way down. And if you agree to it, go ahead and you should read through each of these. Okay. Smart TV, TV services. You can see what that is. Product improvements and so on. Okay. But for myself, these are optional too. I'm just going to select none of those. I'm going to go down to agree and proceed. Power saving, you want off, low, or high. Go ahead and read through that. For me, I'm going to go with low. 90% of you guys will go with low as well. Voice recognition here. Let's go ahead and click on next. Parental lock. We have to put in a 4-digit code, okay? And it says 000 is not valid. But let's just see. 0, 0. Oh, okay, it's not valid. So let me just choose another one. I'll just go with, there we go, ones. Okay, pin has been set. And if you have a cable or antenna you want to go ahead and set up, you can go from there. For me, I'm not interested. I will go down to skip. You can always do this later too, after the setup and whatnot, if you get an antenna and all that. Select the devices you would like to set up with your TV. So you can do that. You can go ahead and select what you want. I'm just going to go down to connect later. And then later I'll just plug in my PS5. So how's your TV position? Is it on a wall mount or is it tabletop stand? So mine's just a regular tabletop stand. Complete your TV registration. Okay, you can register with your Google account. You can register with another email, or you can skip it. For myself, I'm going to go ahead and skip it. And it says, don't forget to register your TV. Go ahead and read through that. For me, still, no thanks. I'll register later. And enhance your TV's Google coverage. Let's just click on continue here. Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, so it does have AirPlay, so you can AirPlay your iPhones, your iPads, basically like a wireless screen mirror directly to the TV. So let's click on next here, checking for updates. So from here, go ahead and read through each of these. You can read through there, add personalization, go ahead and read through all those, okay? And then you can click whatever, those are all optional, okay? But for me, I'm just gonna go down and select none of them and save and exit. And you can read through this. Let me click next here. Accessibility features. All right, let's click on OK. So go ahead and read through that. This is talking about the Bravia Connect app. You can download that to your phone. Let's OK that. Setup is complete. Let's select Done. Setting up your Google TV. Get the most out of your Google TV. You can go ahead and read through these. For me, I'm going to go to Google TV. And voila, guys, we are up and running and we are in business. Pretty simple. Any questions or issues? Comment below.